This is the STL file review for the grip, and let's just put in one of these. So these, again, should print without any kind of support. They are generally going to require only 10% infill, but you can increase that to 15 or 20 if you have problems printing. You want to print these with 3 perimeters. You can use anywhere between 4 to 6 solid layers, and that's really about all that there is to these things. Now for the files that are in this directory, we have the mini rifle grip with the longer stock, and then this is the mini rifle grip with the longer stock and the under mount. This is probably the one that most people will want to use. It's the mini rifle grip with the sorter stock and the undermount. And then here is a pistol grip that is used really only for the smaller devices. It doesn't have any kind of understructure, so it's used without an extension. Now, this piece right here is the open spring cover. This is the one I recommend because while it covers the spring, it doesn't cover the trigger part itself, and therefore you can always be certain, but just by looking at it, that the device is properly loaded and not going to misfire if we release the loading device. And finally, we have a closed trigger cover. I don't really recommend this, but if you do want the trigger part not exposed, you can use it. It does make it harder to tell that the device has been properly loaded and that you can release the loading tool without it misfiring. But again, unless you needed that part specifically covered for a reason, I wouldn't use these.